Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in today's class we will continue the salt which we have started yesterday. So in yesterday we have studied about two salts, right? That was sodium hydroxide, NaOH, or the second one is baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So we have discussed about the property of these two. So let us complete the remaining salts today. So the next salt is washing soda, which we use in our houses for cleaning purposes, right? So washing soda, what is the chemical formula of washing soda? That is Na2CO3 into 10 molecules of water, right? So sodium carbonate, it will, what is the chemical name for it? Sodium carbonate, and you can say sodium carbonate deca is used for 10, right? Sodium carbonate deca hydrate. Okay, so this is the chemical name of washing soda, right? So let's see how it is prepared. So firstly, to make washing soda, we have to prepare baking soda, right? So what is the procedure for that? NaCl, we have to take NaCl as a raw material in the presence of water or ammonia, and carbon dioxide is passed through that, right? So what it will give? It will give sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is baking soda which we have discussed yesterday, and it will form also ammonium chloride, right? So this is baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it is in the PPT form. This PPT we have discussed in our previous chapter also. So it is in the form of precipitate. So a solid mass which is just settle at the bottom of the test tube, right? So that is PPT, means that is not fully dissolved in the solvent. Okay, so precipitated sodium hydrogen carbonate is filtered and dried on heating gives sodium carbonate. So जब हमें ये precipitate की form में मिल जाएगा, राइट, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, जिसमें जो भी मॉइस्चर है उसको क्या करेंगे, रिमूव करेंगे. फर्स्टली वी विल फिल्टर दिस मिक्सचर and we will heat it, right? We will heat it. So after that we will take sodium hydrogen carbonate and heat it, and then after the heating of sodium hydrogen carbonate, what we will get? We will get soda ash, sodium carbonate, right? Carbon dioxide and water. So these are also released in this process. So we will get soda ash. So this is not the complete formula of washing soda. After that, what we have to do? We have to dissolve this soda ash into water. Okay, so anhydrous sodium carbonate which we have with us after heating it, so it should be dissolved in water. It should be dissolved in water, right? So after dissolving it, what we will get? See, we are dissolving it with the 10 molecules of water. So when we dissolve it or in 10 molecules of water, we will get washing soda, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, right? This is the full chemical name of washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate. I hope this is clear to all of you, right? So let's see what are the uses. As the name, see, washing soda, this is generally used for cleaning purposes at home, as I told you. So it is used in paint, dyes, soap, paper industries also. Okay, it is removing permanent hardness of water. So second point is removing permanent hardness of water. So the water that is G2O, we have to remove the hardness of water by adding washing soda, right? So the next is used as a cleaning agent. As I told you, for washing clothes or cleaning agents, we use washing soda. Okay. And next is it is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds. The compounds which is made up of sodium, like sodium tetraborate, or it is also known as borax, right? Borax is generally used for cleaning purposes, or it is also used for insects like ants, right? So in these are some uses of washing soda. Okay, so I hope these are clear to all of you.